I'm nervous all over again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I made a video, but we're back. And I'll let you guys know a little bit about where I've been and what I've been doing since my last video. But today we're gonna do a HelloFresh meal thing. I already opened the box and I opened it upside down. And it says here not to open it upside down, but it's okay. So anyways, I decided to order from HelloFresh because I'm just trying to be a little bit healthier. I am trying to lose baby weight. First it comes with, I should probably tell you what it comes with here. It comes with, what is this? Oh, I guess just like a couple little info cards or something. And then it comes with the what do you call this?
The recipe?
Recipe? Step-by-step instructions also on how to make it. Now, I know how to cook. I cook every day. I cook all types of food, Italian, Mexican, Puerto Rican, whatever. The reason why I decided to go with HelloFresh this time around is because we decided to go vegetarian. Not forever. I still eat chicken, I still eat fish, I still eat meat. It comes with this little ice cap thing too, to keep the food cold. But anyways, to lose weight. I obviously just had a baby about a month ago, which is why I've been MIA. We'll get more into that later. I'm like all over the place. I'm ready to talk to you guys and tell you guys everything and show you guys this. And so anyways, we got this one. I don't know how to say that first word there. Anyways, there's stuffed peppers. Barbecue pineapple flatbread and salsa verde enchiladas. And again, all this is made with veggies. So we'll see how it goes. Anyways, yeah, we want to do veggies, eat veggies all week. This weekend we did go out to eat, and obviously I had meat or whatever, but at least for during the week, we want to be a little bit more conscious about what we're eating, and I am ready to not have a mom bod, you know? And obviously I'm giving myself time. I only had the baby a month ago, so. Anyways, today I think I'm going to do, I was gonna do the pineapple flatbread, but for some reason it doesn't sound like it's gonna be filling. And I think that's just me being fat because I'm used to eating a lot. But it comes with two of these. I don't know, and my brother might be coming over, so I don't feel like it's enough. I'll probably do these, the stuffed peppers, because I have, I think, like 3 extra peppers in my fridge, and I have some mushrooms, so I'll probably make additional stuffed peppers, even though they're gonna be different from what I got sent, just so everybody can have some. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the stuffed peppers. Okay, so I've got everything out and ready. We've got 2 peppers, some garbanzo beans, rice, dried apricots, feta cheese. I know these are onions. No, not. Maybe scallions? No. These onions. Green onions, sour cream, and a spice blend. So it says, step 1, prep and make crema. So I just read through everything, that way I can just talk to you guys and catch up while I'm doing everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get these washed, and then we'll go ahead and start. You guys hear a baby in the background, that's the baby. Okay, how the heck? I'm gonna save as much of the shape of the peppers as I can, so I'm just gonna do that. And as everyone does, use this for the garbage. So I had the baby about a month ago, as I said, a little girl. Obviously we're all so happy. And it is different. Having a girl is so different. I love it though. She's like my little doll. I get to dress her up and all the cute stuff, and I am just so excited. Sorry, I gotta focus. Sometimes I can't multitask. Even though I swear I'm the best multitasker ever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and separate the whites from the greens of the scallions. Was it scallions? Yeah, it was scallions. Didn't I say scallions earlier? See? Watching all that Food Network show in the middle of the night pays off. Okay. Thinly slice these. Anyways, the labor was amazing. By far the easiest. I don't know if it's TMI or what, but I've always gone the natural route with labors. So I have never gotten the epidural. I got it once, my first one, Julian, and it stopped working. And then I had Pitocin, which is like a medicine that intensifies the contractions, so everything just went to crap. Anyways, so this time I decided, you know, I wanted it to be different. I wanted to enjoy it. I wanted just for me to like see if I could experience the labor that all these people, all these women experience, like painless and amazing, and they look great and they're pulling their baby out, and you know. So we did that. I got the epidural and I do not regret it one bit. I enjoyed my labor. Everything was just amazing, perfect. Obviously very emotional for those of you that know why. But I really enjoyed it. And I did, I helped pull her out and she laid on my chest, and it was a magical, perfect moment. But that's really where I've been. I stopped uploading maybe I think like a month or two before I had her. I was just so big, so uncomfortable. I was busy with the kids and whatnot, so that's what happened there. But we're back now. Let's see here. My eyes are kind of burning, and that's just scallions. Ooh. Roughly chopped apricots if necessary. You guys know what they say, right? Well, at least Hispanics. Have you seen me looking over here, my sister when I was there? Per usual. They say in the Hispanic culture that if your eyes tear up when you're chopping onions, que eres celosa, or you're jealous. You're the jealous type. Well, this is a freaking scallion. My eyes are watering, so that tells you a lot. Psycho! But we're gonna go ahead and chop these up a little bit. They are kind of big, so. This is the apricots. They're dried apricots. Just so you're not getting like one huge chunk. I feel like it'll be better. Alright, so we got those roughly chopped. I hope you guys can see at least most of the stuff. So in a small bowl, combine sour cream, the spice, and salt. Okay, so step 2 is cook the rice. I already added the rice in here. In a small pot, combine rice, apricots, 3/4 cup of water, half the remaining spice, and a big pinch of salt. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat, then cover and reduce to a slow simmer. Cook until rice is tender, 15 to 18 minutes. All right. Okay, so on to step 3. My whole eyeballs are cut off. Okay, so on to step 3. We are going to prep the red peppers to roast them. While rice cooks, place bell pepper halves on baking sheet and drizzle with olive oil, rub to coat, season generously with salt and pepper, then arrange cut sides up, roast on middle rack until slightly softened, 15 to 17 minutes. You'll stuff then. Remove from oven to slightly cool. So I do not have a cookie sheet or anything of that sort. I had them, I don't know what I did with them, but I got a cake pan. So that's what we're gonna use today. I'm gonna put my peppers on there. I'm gonna drizzle with some olive oil. I just have this huge thing, so obviously be careful. And you know what? I was gonna pick up an olive oil drizzler at Target today, and I didn't because I was in a rush. And look, it would have worked out perfectly. So I'm guessing just like rub the olive oil everywhere. You don't have to be neat about this. All right, so they've been drizzled with olive oil, and I'm gonna season with salt and pepper. Generously, obviously. And that's bomb. So now we're just gonna roast them for about 15 to 17 minutes until tender on 425. Okay, so step 4, we are going to start the filling. We gotta drain these, the chickpeas, pat them dry, and then we got to cook them on a pan with the chickpeas, the scallion whites, and the spice, and a pinch of salt. I can't speak. And we're gonna cook them until they're lightly browned. Sorry guys, I know I started this reading word by word, and it's just not me. I don't like it. It's too like put together. I don't know. So anyways, we gotta cook these until they're brown with the scallions and the spices. Okay, so it's asking us to add the rice and the chickpeas and mix them in there together. I've got the chickpeas right here. They look and smell amazing. Just gonna add that. Mix all that. It is asking to combine the feta cheese in here also. My boyfriend is currently not eating any dairy. either as a part of his diet that he's doing. So we'll just add that in later. We're not picky. We'll just throw everything on top. And it does also ask for butter. I'm not adding butter, which is the nice thing about these meals also is you can make them to your liking. For myself, I really just needed help coming up with, you know, different variations of vegetarian food. Now I'm gonna add some mushrooms that I sauteed with some onions. Just gonna add that in there. Okay, now it's just asking us to stuff the mixture in the peppers. Try to get it in the pepper. Not like me. Okay guys, so I was gonna say papas. The peppers came out of the oven. I am going to go ahead and just finish them off. Again, I am adding cheese and the sour cream to mine. His I'm gonna leave plain. My mouth is watering super hard. Maybe I'll start with the cheese. This is feta cheese. I did try the cheese on its own. It is strong flavored. And it smells like, you know, feet a little bit. I'm gonna drizzle some of this on top. Ooh, that looks bomb. And some scallions for presentation. I got a whole palo in here. I like onions, so I add a lot. And that is it. Now I am going to go ahead and try this. I'm gonna cut into it with a fork. Yum. And a little bit of rice and mushroom. Let's see if I can get all of this in one bite. Yum. Very good. And that's that. So again, I love this, especially for me. We're going on this diet of only eating vegetables, so it really helps me come up with things at home to cook besides like roasted vegetables and vegetable soup and beans and bean this and bean that. It gives me a little bit more ideas on what to make for dinner so we don't get bored, so we can go ahead and keep going forward with this diet. And again, you can make it your own way. You can add or take out whatever you'd like. And that is it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see like I don't even know what you would call it, story time maybe of my labor delivery and maybe a little bit of postpartum. Let me know. See you guys next time.